Where we go? Where we going now?
The smallest house in UK, Britain.
Cool. Okay, stay there, minute. Say cheese. Thank you. Yeah, go on then, yeah. It's on, you don't have to press nothing, you just...
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Oh, here we go. Oh, nice. This is the living room.
In 1900, the house was
tiny, isn't it?
human habitation.
You're going to go up the stairs, Luca? Put me a torch on.
All over the country measuring small houses.
Wow.
That this was the smallest.
These freaky pictures, aren't
It
they?
was then opened to the public and has gained a place in the Guinness Book of Records. Looking around, one can see how compact everything is. The seat of the settle against the wall is up.
It's so old.
The cold was kept
That you go
underneath.
first because it's so old and yours. It's not it.
You want me to go up the stairs
It's
first?
not it.
And the water tap is behind the stairs. When the house was lived in, there were no railings upstairs. A trapdoor was lowered to make it complete.
It's a nice little bedroom.
We
Yeah,
hope you
but you can't go in.
visit. Please mind your head when you are leaving.
Okay, I'll come down now, you can have a little look.
This house was built in the 16th century and lived in until 1900. The last inhabitant was a fisherman who was 6 feet 3 inches tall. Before that, an elderly couple lived here. In 1900, the house was condemned for human habitation.
Okay, I'll come down now. Let me come down.
All over the country, making small houses. That this was the smallest. It was then opened to the public and has gained a place
Go on.
in the Guinness Book of Records.
Go on, Luca.
Looking around,
That's
one
where
can
it's
see
storage
how
space.
compact everything is.
My new bed.
The seat of the settle against the wall lifts up, and the cold was kept underneath.
Let's just stand right up, Luca. You can have a look at the bedroom.
And the water tap is behind the stairs. When the house was
Nice and cosy, isn't it?
no railing,
I wish I could sleep here.
the trapdoor
That's
was
the lady.
lowered to make a complete floor in the bedroom. We hope you have enjoyed your visit. Please mind your head when you are leaving. This house was built in the 16th century and lived in until 1900. The last inhabitant was a fisherman who was 6 feet 3 inches tall. Before that,
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh! Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, watch the one up here. And that is Wales.